Hey guys, mosquitoes are real bad. Do you see that? My phone overheated on the last video, so I am leaving the garnet spot because the mosquitoes are horrible. But I found forest snacks, y'all. I'm getting some. Raspberries. Don't fall off of there. Yum. Wild Upper Michigan raspberries are yummy. Yummy. The bugs are absolutely horrible, but I'm glad I found some raspberries, guys. My dad will be so happy. Cool. I have to tell him. But these ones up here, hold on, I'm getting back in the Jeep. Oh, go away, mosquitoes. They're horrible. Okay. Let me put them in my lap. I'm going to eat them. But these ones are definitely not ready. So, still got a ways to go. Well, maybe a week or two. I'm not sure. But, cool. I found raspberries. I love wild raspberries. Make sure there's no bugs on them. For snacks. They're so good. Yum. Best kind of snack you can get, guys. Minus the bugs. Thanks for watching. Sorry my phone overheated, but I'll make a quick video and show you everything that I found. It's not much because the bugs got real bad and the bug dope is useless against them, so I give up. I give up for the day, but thanks for watching, y'all. Flare out, yo.